How to choose the right career path as a beginner. Introduction. Choosing the right career is one of the most important decisions of your life. But if you're a beginner, this decision can feel confusing, stressful, and overwhelming. You may be asking yourself, which career is right for me? Should I choose technology, management, or something else? What if I choose the wrong path? What if I waste years and regret it later? If these thoughts sound familiar, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to choose the right career path as a beginner, even if you have no clarity, no experience, and no strong background yet. By the end of this video, you will have a clear mindset, a simple decision framework, confidence to take your first career step. Let's begin. Section 1. Why most beginners feel confused. Most beginners feel confused because they are trying to make a big life decision without enough information. Here are the most common reasons beginners struggle. First, too many choices. Technology, management, finance, design, marketing, government jobs, entrepreneurship, the list never ends. Second, pressure from society and family. People around you have opinions. This field has no future. That career doesn't pay well. Everyone is going into this. You should too. Third, fear of failure. You worry, what if I fail? What if I'm not smart enough? What if I choose wrong? Fourth, comparing yourself to others. You see others succeeding and think, they are ahead of me. I'm already late. Let me tell you something important. Confusion at the beginning is completely normal. Every successful professional once stood exactly where you are today. Section 2. Stop looking for the perfect career. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is searching for the perfect career. The truth is, no career starts perfect. No path is 100% clear from day one. No successful person had everything figured out at the beginning. Careers are built, not discovered. Your first choice does not decide your entire life. It only decides your first direction. Think of your career like a journey. You choose a road, you learn while walking, you adjust along the way. Clarity comes after you start, not before. Section 3. Understand yourself first. Before choosing any career, you must understand yourself. Ask yourself 3 simple questions. What do I enjoy learning? You don't need passion, just curiosity. Do you enjoy problem solving? Do you like organizing things? Do you enjoy working with people? Do you prefer working alone or in a team? 2. How do I like to work? Everyone works differently. Structured or flexible? Creative or analytical? Fast-paced or stable? Desk work or field work? 3. What are my natural strengths? You don't need to be an expert. Just notice. Are you good at explaining? Are you good at planning? Are you good at numbers? Are you good at learning new tools? Your career should support your nature, not fight against it. Section 4. Explore career categories, not job titles. Beginners often make another mistake. They focus on job titles instead of career categories. Instead of asking, should I become this specific role? Ask, which category fits me best? Here are common career categories. Technology-oriented careers, best for people who enjoy logic, systems, learning tools, problem-solving, management and business careers, best for people who enjoy planning, decision-making, leadership, communication, creative and communication careers, best for people who enjoy writing, designing, presenting ideas, storytelling, support and operations careers, best for people who enjoy organization, process, coordination, stability. You don't need to decide your final role now. Just choose the category that feels right. Section 5. Check reality, job market and growth interest alone is not enough. You must also check career reality. Ask these questions. Are jobs available in this field? Is there long-term growth? Can I start at an entry level? Can I switch roles later? A good career path should have entry-level opportunities, learning curve, growth potential, transferable skills. Avoid choosing careers that have no clear entry path, depend only on luck, have limited long-term growth. The smart career choice balances interest plus opportunity plus growth. Section 6. Start small, test before committing. You don't need to fully commit immediately. Instead, take an introductory course, watch beginner tutorials, read about daily work-life, talk to people in that field, try small projects or internships. Your goal is not mastery, your goal is exposure. After a few weeks, ask yourself, do I enjoy learning this? Can I imagine doing this long term? Am I curious to go deeper? If yes, continue. If no, change direction. Changing early is smart, not failure. Section 7. Common beginner mistakes to avoid these common mistakes. Choosing only based on salary, following friends, blindly waiting for perfect clarity, overthinking without action, being afraid to start small. Remember, the worst decision is not starting at all. Conclusion. Your career is a journey. Choosing the right career as a beginner is not about finding the perfect answer. It's about understanding yourself, choosing a direction, taking action, learning, continuously adjusting along the way. Your career will evolve, and so will you. Start today. Start small. Stay consistent. And remember, clarity comes from movement, not from waiting.